Link in description. Click Google Play. Click on Install.
1 hour later.
Click on Open. Click on Next. Click on Register. Fill in your details. Click Register. Click Verify Email. Click Sign In. Type your register email and password. Click Sign In. Fill full name and username. Check My username here because not reward get you skipped. Click on Start. Click. You have now Omega 16 token. After KYC verification, you can get Omega waiting list on Binance. Click Wallet. Switch to BSC. Click to create wallet. Click Copy. Fill and after click Continue. Create password. Confirm password. Click Done. Click Wallet. Click. Enter your password. Successfully create wallet. Do no faucet mining daily. Thank you watching.